Now an Education Matters Minute.
So with social distancing going on, you may be looking for ways to keep your children active and engaged. Well, this project, starting a family garden, is a perfect way for your middle school or high school student to learn and apply some of their math and science skills, as well as coming together as a family to work on a project. The great thing about gardening is that it's incredibly stress relieving. Your garden can be small or raised. It can be a small salsa garden or herb garden. It doesn't have to be too big, but the idea is teaching our children the value of planning a project, executing it, and of course enjoying the fruits of their labor. For Education Matters Minute, I'm Melissa Aaron, English teacher at SeaTech High School.
Education Matters is a partnership with the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools. Watch these stories Mondays at 6:30 on KC24.